Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to make a local environment in your Windows 11 system for BigCommerce theme development. So let's get started. So open your default browser, go to this link. I'll give it below in the description box. Just check it there. After, go install on download. Here they show 4 requirements. So first one is install chocolate, second one is install git, third install npm, and fourth install synthetic CLI. So I already install git and npm. If you don't install git, just check my previous video. I'll give it also description box. And npm, if you don't install npm, please comment me. I will provide you how to install npm. So after, you copy this line and open your default terminal or command prompt, and next you paste here and click enter. It takes some time, depend on your internet speed. After, it will install. I already installed it, so I show you the version number, so you can understand syntax is completely download in my system. So how, now type stencil version, stencil version. Look, my synthetic version is 8.10.0. next, what should I do? I go to my BigCommerce, login here, and go to settings, go to store level API account. Here, create API account, just select synthetic CLI token, give it name. I give the name theme development. Next, save here. After, copy this command and go to copy this command and make a folder num theme. Here, open in the terminal and paste this command. They ask default port is 3000, so I make it 3000. Enter. So what are they saying? Okay, don't worry about this issue. Now I download the theme using the command line stencil yes, it takes some time depending on your internet speed. Okay, everything is download complete. Now type npm install for installing your dependency. Now show it's finished to download dependency. Forget this warning because there are many old version, that's why it doesn't exist now. So now next command is stencil start. Wait some time. Look, this give a local URL. Open this URL. See my stories show up. Now you can edit your file. After editing, you can publish it. If you need any help, just comment me. I will definitely help you. Thank you for watching my video.